All right, y'all, Uncle Michael here. I'll let y'all know where I am. Look at those mountains back there, y'all. This is an empty lot. Could be used for truck parking, but I am here. Rush Truck Center. We are getting everything taken care of. I'm just waiting. And see what they say. But y'all, let me tell you something. It's one thing to drive a truck and have your hopes and goals set, and then it's another one to see it right here in front of you. Ooh-wee. One day, y'all. One day, y'all. Can you say Big Red Transportation? We hope that sun doesn't block everything, mess up anything. Look at that. Long Nose Pete. Ooh-wee. That's pretty. That's pretty right there. Yes, sir. All righty. So I'm just sitting waiting, seeing what we got to do. They already sent another guy back to the hotel. He said that his company was broke. They didn't have much money, so he had to go to one of those hotels that he didn't really appreciate. All righty. Here we are. They're doing a fantastic job. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. And here is the service department. Just a little quick something. Let y'all know where I am. That's all. And this is where I'll be sitting back and relaxing and waiting on Mabel. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll be turning that on in a minute. Mm-hmm. All righty, y'all. I think we all should get us one of these right here. I am in New Mexico. I'll be going through Arizona to California right over there. Right over there. I gotta go all the way through Arizona. But I'm right here in Albuquerque, about halfway through. If you look real close, you can see it says Albuquerque. 40. All the way over. All the way over. To somewhere right in there where I'll be. Alrighty. I want one of these for my house. altered or deleted emissions for those in the know. You gotta get it neutered, baby, so it'll run right. Okay, y'all. Just wanted to let y'all know where I was, what I'm doing. Never really done this before, having to sit with a load. But like I said, when your truck don't wanna, says it's sick, you get it fixed. That's what you gotta do. So I'm gonna go back and let y'all enjoy some more of your day. And if anything else happens, I will let you know. So see y'all in a little bit. Appreciate you.